Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Arabic course for beginners. Viewers, today inshallah we will learn some important words of Arabic. Al-Kalimat Al-Mufida. So let's begin. The first word is and. A-N-D, and. In Arabic you say wa. Wa zabar wa. And in Urdu you say or. An example is that Ali and I are at home. Ali and I are at home. In Arabic you say Ali wa ana fil bayt. Ali wa ana fil bayt. Ali और मैं घर में हैं. The second word is or. Or. And its meaning is aw in Arabic, aw or aw or and in Urdu you say ya. And example is this book or that book is for Umar. In Arabic you say hadha al-kitabu, this book, aw or dhalika al-kitabu, that kitab, that book is for Umar, li Umari. The third one is then. In Arabic you say thumma, in Urdu you say phir. An example is I read this book first and then that book. In Arabic you say qara'tu awwalan hadha al-kitaba wa thumma dhalika al-kitaba. Qara'tu awwalan hadha al-kitaba wa thumma dhalika al-kitaba. The fourth one is with. In Arabic you say ma'a, in Urdu you say saath. For example, I am with my teacher. Ana ma'a ustadhi. Ana ma'a ustadhi. I am ma'a with ustadhi, my teacher. Ya is the dhamir, is the pronoun, and its translation is my. The fifth one is have, has, had, near. In Arabic you say inda, in Urdu you say paas, saath, ya kareeb. For example, this book, my book is with Alian, and you can say Alian has my book. In Arabic you say kitabi inda Alian. Kitabi inda Alian. So this is all done for important words. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.